students, welcome to Vidya Mirat. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 12 ratio and proportions, and today we are going to do exercise 12.3. Now this exercise is based on unitary method. That means we need to find out the cost or the value for one particular unit. For it, that is known as unitary method. For example, if the cost of 10 pence is rupees 210, find the cost of 7 pence. Now for finding the cost of 7 pence, we should know what is the cost for 1 pen. So for finding 1 pen, what are we going to do? We will frame an equation. Cost of 10 pen is rupees 210. So 1 pen cost will be rupees 21. That is the cost of 1 pen. So I know now the cost for 1 pen. I can easily find the cost of 7 pence. For that I need to just multiply with 21. Answer comes to rupees 147. So like this we are going to follow for the exercise. Question number 1. If the cost of 7 meter of cloth is rupees 294, find the cost of 5 meters of cloth. Now what is it? What are we given and what we have to find out? So if you look at the orange box, there are two parameters which are to be taken care of. Cloth in the lengthwise meters and the cost. We are given 7 meters, the cost is rupees 294. So for 5 meters we need to find out the cost. So I put a question mark. So taking care of this, I can frame my equation. That is, cost of 7 meters of cloth is rupees 294. So cost of 1 meter of cloth will be 294 divided by 7. Now here it is not necessary that you have to find out the unit or you need to divide it. It might be possible that in the next equation it can get into the lowest term. So it is your choice. If it is easily divisible, do it now, or you can even wait for your next. Next is that we have to find out the cost of 5 meters. So for 5 meter means I will multiply with 1 meter's cost. What was the 1 meter cost? 294 divided by 7. So I will multiply 5 with this to find out the cost for 5 meters. That comes out to be 210 rupees. Question number 2. Ekta earns rupees 1500 in 10 days. How much she will earn in 30 days? So two parameters are days and cost or the price. So 10 days is equivalent to rupees 1500. So for 30 days what will happen? Price will increase. But for that I need to find out first the cost for 1 day. So for 1 day it will be rupees 1500 divided by 10. And for 30 days we need to multiply. You will get your answer as rupees 4500. That will be the money earned by Ekta in 30 days. Question number 3. If it has rained 276 mm in the last 3 days, how many centimeters of rain will fall in one full week? Now 1 full week means 7 days. Assume that the rain continues to fall at the same rate. Now for last 3 days they are talking about the rain is 276 mm. So for 1 day it will be fall 276 divided by 3 mm. And I want to know for 7 days. So it will be multiplied by 7. You get 644 mm. So this answer is in mm, but we want answer in centimeters. And we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 mm. So we know the rule, King Harry died, mother did not cry much. If we have to move backward, we divide by that number of gems. So that is 64.4 centimeters is the amount of rainfall in 1 week. Question number 4. Cost of 5 kg of wheat is rupees 30.50. A part. What will be the cost of 8 kg of wheat? So 5 kg cost is rupees 30.50. So 8 kg will be 30.50 divided by 5 multiplied by 8. The required cost comes out to rupees 48.80. Similarly, we have to find out what quantity of wheat can be purchased in rupees 61. Now cost is given to us. We need to find out the weight. That means the two parameters becomes cost and weight. Cost is rupees 30.50. So weight is 5 kg. So when cost is rupees 61, how much will be the weight? Weight will become 5 divided by 30.50 for 1 kg and multiply by 61. Your answer comes out to be 10 kgs. Question number 5. The temperature dropped 15 degrees Celsius in last 30 days. If the rate of temperature drop remains the same, how many degrees will the temperature drop in the next 10 days? So for 30 days, the temperature fall is 15 degrees. For 1 day, it will be 15 upon 30. For 10 days, it will be 15 upon 30 multiplied by 10, which is 5 degrees Celsius. So in the next 10 days or the last 10 days, the temperature will drop 5 degrees Celsius. Question number 6. Shaina pays rupees 7500 as rent for 3 months. How much does she has to pay for the whole year if the rent per month remains the same? So that means we have two criteria, month and cost. So for 3 months they are talking, the cost is rupees 7500. Now for whole year we have to find out. In 1 year there are 12 months. That means for 12 months the cost will be question mark. So how will I find out? For 1 month the rent will be 7500 divided by 3. So for 12 months it will be multiplied by 12. It comes out to be 30,000. This is the required amount which one has to pay in 1 year. Question number 7. Cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 60. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50? Now they have given the cost in the place of dozen, and we know that in 1 dozen there are 12 units or 12 pieces of the banana. How many dozens they are telling about? 4 dozens. So how many bananas will it be? 4 multiplied by 12, that is 48 bananas. So the cost of 48 bananas is rupees 60. We need to find out the number of bananas if that is rupees 12.50. So what happen is your equation will come cost and bananas. So cost is given rupees 60, bananas are given 48. Cost is given rupees 12.50, bananas are question mark. So how will I write it? 48 divided by 60 multiplied by 12.50. That will be required number of bananas, which are 10. Question number 8. The weight of 72 books is 9 kgs. What is the weight of 40 such books? So what are the two things? Books and weight. See, whatever we have to find, keep it towards your right side. Okay, so that it becomes easier for you to write down. So your books and weight are the two things. You need to find out the weight. So weight should be kept on the right side and books should be kept on the left side. So 72 books weight is 9 kg. So 40 books the weight will be question mark. So what is your equation? 9 upon 72 will be for 1 book. Multiply by 40 gives you 5 kgs. Question number 9. A truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. How much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1650 kilometers? So two things over here is distance and the diesel. So distance and diesel, we need to think what we have to find. We have to find diesel. So diesel we will keep it to the right hand side. So distance will come on the left hand side. So how will I write? Distance is 594. So diesel is 108. When distance is 1650, diesel will be question mark. So for 1 kilometer, it will be 108 divided by 594 multiply by 1650. So required amount of diesel will be 300 liters. Raju purchases 10 pens for rupees 150 and Manish buys 7 pens for rupees 84. Can you say who got the pens cheaper? Now here both of them have bought pens. Now one has bought 10 pens for rupees 150 and other has bought 7 pens for rupees 84. To find out who has bought cheaper or to compare both of them, we should know the unit price. That means price for one pen. So based on that we will find out who got the pens cheaper. So for one pen, in the case of Raju, it will be 150 upon 10. So one pen cost is rupees 15. Whereas for Manish, it will be 84 divided by 7. Manish bought one pen for rupees 12. So who bought cheaper? Manish got the pens cheaper than Raju. Anish made 42 runs in 6 overs and Anup made 63 runs in 7 overs. Who made more runs per over? So we have overs and runs as two parameters. For Anish, in 1 over the runs were 7, 42 divided by 6. For Anup, the runs were 9. So 9 runs are more than 7 runs. So Anup has made more runs. That's all for this exercise 12.3 children. It was very easy. Just find out the unitary method, how it is to be done. Frame it. The one which you have to find, keep it towards your right side. Find the two parameters which are there in the question relevant to it and then write it accordingly so that it becomes easier for you to know the price for one unit, and then we will multiply to find out the price for the other units. That's all for this children. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next. See you soon in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.